Hey guys, for many of you who may want to have an overlook about the iPhone XS Max, this is the iPhone XS Max. I just got it, and please be reminded that I am not a technical person. I am just showing you what I could in this new phone, and so that you perhaps maybe just want to buy it, and before you could buy, you can have a look. The box contains standard gadgets such as headsets, charger, cable, and pin to open the phone, so nothing special. And this phone has a face recognition. However, if you do not want a face recognition or uh, password or passcode with using your face recognition, you don't have to, because you can also set a pin code like numbers, 6 or 4-digit number to lock your phone. So this is the key feature why this phone is amazing for a vlogger. So okay, now I will show you amazing. Okay, this is my selfie shots, and as you can see, it blurs. The background is blur. Okay, the background is blur. So what we do is we do edit. And by the way, let me cancel. So okay, here is the features of taking pictures. There is a slow-mo, time-lapse, slow-mo, video, photo. Additional, based on my knowledge from my iPhone 7, there is additional here, the portrait mode. So we have still the square and pano. So, and we'll do the background editing. So this is the depth of field. You can adjust here at the bottom. So you go higher, F16, the background becomes sharp. But if you go adjust, it will be blurred. So as blurred as that. And the good thing is, with this, you can also check which area you want to darken, or maybe just black the background. So as you can see that, yeah. Okay, now I found something. This picture, I did not capture it using the portrait mode. So I just capture it as like I open the camera and I just capture it. So it does not let me edit like how you can edit when you capture it in a portrait using the portrait mode. So for you to be able to edit the picture, you have to go in a portrait mode. So I mean, you have to capture it with the portrait mode. Otherwise, you are not able to edit it like using depth of field or something like that. So you can't edit it. So make sure that when you capture it and you like it portrait and you are able to edit it later after you have taken the shot, you make sure that you use the program called Portrait. Otherwise, you are not able to edit the pictures or the picture background later on. Okay, that's something that I also learned. Voila, awesome. Guys, let's do some testing shots here. Okay, this is a flower, and we will do the portrait of this flower. Okay, over here we can see, let me just adjust it a little bit. Okay, over here we can see natural lights, and we have studio light and contour light and stage light and stage light mono. So that's the settings here for portrait. Okay, it's just farther away. I should be far enough. For the focusing, needs to have a distance. Okay, farther away. Okay, you camera farther away too. Still farther away. Why do I need to be farther away? Okay. And the contour light. What happens if we go closer? And I want to focus the petals here. And let's do the next one. Oops. Stage light. Awesome. So the stage light will give you a very specific focus area. So it will give you that. Wow, awesome. Need a tripod, man. Okay, and then the contour is simply black and white shots. Won't be good for a colorful picture like flower for a black and white, right? Good. So now we can see the difference here. We have our light, we have our shots. Okay, this is the first. Yeah, stage lights for a flower. That's awesome. Let's check the shots. Oh, look at that. So the background is super blur. You can still then adjust from here. You have original, vivid, vivid warm, vivid cool. Wow, that's awesome for a flower. So as you notice here, the background is really blurred. Wow, amazing. So this is all what I could review for now, and I'll be practicing about this phone and give you some more information along the way what I could experience about this iPhone XS Max. Thanks for watching.